My name is Dale Brooks. I'm president of Contra Costa Door. The focus of our company here is we're in the overhead door business. We're full service. We do commercial, residential, automated, gates, full line installation and service. We build the system and it's our door, so it's unique to us. It's a proprietary product, and we engineer the hardware, the design, and have doors that are available only here. Very attractive and a good, better, best type line. Probably the most durable door that you can buy for a residence versus buying complete doors from manufacturers and marketing as their product. All of our installers are union installers that work hourly and are highly skilled and trained at their trade. We have after-sales support that no one can match. We have the largest moving object in your home, and it deserves after-sales support. It will need to be maintained, and you need to get someone that will not only furnish it, but will maintain it. We've been honored and received the Joe Carputo Award from the International Door Association. That's the largest association in our industry, based on our industry reputation being ethical and recognized for our business practices, and it basically held up as a model. So it's not something that we earn from how much we bought from a vendor or how many dollars we do in sales, but it was on our practices and principles, which we felt very honored by. We are 71 years young, same family ownership. The background on the origin of the company is my dad, when he'd finished his service in World War II, serving as a pilot in the Navy, went to work for a company in Alameda called Glide-In Overhead Door. In 1969, he bought his partner out. In 70, I joined the company. In 74, my younger brother Gary joined. Today, there's an orderly transfer to my brother's daughter, Dawn, and my son, Justin, and we are continuing forward with the legacy there that they started 70-some years ago. So the most important thing to us is the people we're working with, and that we take a genuine interest in them to serve them so that they feel that they've got a partner, not a vendor.